Oh yes, welcome to our YouTube channel, and I'm by the names of Maurice the Crochet Master. So let's take a quick look on how we can do the natural tangle mixed with two colors. We haven't done this before, but I'm going to show you how I created it and how it's going to do. So please just subscribe and we do this together. Oh yes, oh yes. As usual, just know that we love you so much, and I want to shout out to all our people who are watching right now in United States, China, United Kingdom, and those ones in United Emirates. You're doing a great work, and thank you so much. And if you're watching right now in Turkey, you can share this video because it is very lovely. uh, it favors all hair type. Trust me, if you have natural hair, if you have straight hair, this hair is very okay with it. So those ones in Netherlands, oh my god, thank you so much, and big up to all our fans in Philippines. You're doing a great work. And guys who are watching right now in United States, sorry, guys who are watching right now in United States, please, you're welcome to this YouTube channel. I told you that I'll make sure that we learn most of the things, and yes, let's see how we can mix these colors and how it's going to come out. So I started it this way, as you're saying, and as usual, like I've been teaching on how we do the natural tangle on my previous videos, and I always show you that we start with threes. Yes, we start with threes, and after it's when we can do the twisting. So when you do the threes, you tie here very tight, just like that, and then knowing that after you're going to do the twisting. And I told you, for us, we work as a team, so I make sure when I begin, they'll be the ones to finish the twisting. So this is how I'm going to do it. So please, you should follow each step by step because it's lovely. Trust me, this here is very nice. And if you're watching right now in Netherlands, please, you can also share the video because I know you're going to like it very much. Cause I chose these colors because I know it can look it looks nice with someone with the light skinned people. So this is how we're going to do it. So as usual, we have to be with our gel. Yes, you see, that one always helped me a lot. Yeah, the gel. So after putting my gel, I try to cut this one into 3 portions, as you can see. And starting, you see how I do. All the things I've been teaching you, how you can start with threes from down, you see. Yes, just like that. I've been showing you how you can start with the threes in my previous video of natural tangle. So it's the same thing, though here I tried to make a change. Like I created these colors, yeah, for light skinned people. Because the way it looks. So trust me, you're going to see how it's going to look. And let's try to be speedy so that we see the main things that I want to show you. So here, I told you when you reach in front, and she's trying to show me what she likes. Yeah, she wants exactly thing like what I did on previous video. So it's the one that she brought that I should do. So but I want to do it to look more better than the other one. So she has got damaged hair, as you can see in front, but I told you when someone has got damaged hair in front, please make sure that you don't force the other hair. Just try to plait these the ones that you can hold, and you shouldn't force the other ones. You understand? So when you do it, still just have to be as gentle as possible, so that you also don't damage her hair more. So this is it, and trust me, I know you're going to like this. You're going to like this. So you can leave a comment. You can leave a comment down there, so that I know what you think. I should know what you think about this hair. Yes, I know someone is watching right now in Oman. Guys, you're doing a great job, and we love you so much.
Na 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 yeah, hands up, yeah. Come to the air zipper. You wanna look fussy, flashy.
Oh yes, so you see how this hair is soft? Can you see? You see what I'm trying to do? So trust me, you're going to like it. When you see how the color is coming, you see how it is coming. I chose this color, the coffee brown. When we talk about the numbers, is color 33. Then the gold, that is color 27. Yes, it's color 27. So it's what I just trust me, it's a very nice. Me, I already like it. I don't know. I don't know what you think about it, but please try to leave a comment there, and we keep on we keep in touch, understand? So let's do it.
Hands zipper. Na 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 yeah, hands zipper. Yeah, come to the air zipper.
Oh yes, there's something another thing that I would wanted to share with you. It's the twisting. Yes, the twisting is also very important. You see how I'm trying to twist it? So it's the same thing that you also should do. You see how I'm twisting it? You see? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's somehow tricky. So you just twist it that way. When you don't make it hard, you just have to make it soft. And when it's a bit short, you bring another piece, then you add, and you keep on twisting. So this is how we make it long. Don't think like the braid comes when it's all long that way. No, it can be short, so you just have to keep on adding up to the length that you want. So when you're done with that, in order to make it neat, yes, I told you that one, we have to do it, make it neat. We have to get our scissor, and we try to trim all those remaining ones, you understand, to make it more neat.
Come to the air zipper.
Yes, oh, here it is. When you're done with that, so the next thing we're going to do, I think she didn't want, remember, she showed us the other picture that she wanted to be puff. So I'm going to hold it puff. So let's see how we can hold puff. You see how it's flexible, very flexible and very soft. You see, very nice. So this is how we hold the puff. You just have to be very gentle whenever you're holding puff. There's some people when they're holding puff, you just come and hold it once. That one is not good. So I do it step by step, slowly by slowly, so that I should not hurt my client. And already she's not feeling pain at all, because for us, when we are plating all these kind of things, we always leave a quarter inch so that the braid can be flexible, not very tight from the start. So this is how we are doing it, you see. Yes, just like that. Yeah, so that's how you can also do it, slowly by slowly. And when you're done with that, trust me, you're going to see the perfect look that I was telling you. You're going to see it is very nice.
Yeah, come to the air zipper.
So let's just try to use here, use a thread. Yeah.
Zipper, zipper, zipper.
Oh yes, so like when I'm done, she tried to show me the length that she want. You see, yeah, she want that length. So, in order to give her what she wants, you have to measure where she wants it to stop, and it's what I'm doing. Yes, so after getting it that way, you see. So now let me show you how you can measure everything, like after confirming that it's what she wants. So when that one is done, I just come and I tie it very nicely after tying it, and then I cut on that length that she wanted. So after cutting, I know that they're also going to do the same thing. So guys, I love you so much, and please try to look how it's going to end so that you see the beauty. I sign out, and I love you so much. Please leave a comment if you're watching right now. Guys, I can't stop loving you. Those ones who are watching, thank you so much.
Air zipper. Yeah, come to the air zipper. Zipper, 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 zipper. You wanna look fussy, flashy, everything classy. Come to the air zipper and get flashy. Hair zipper, hair zipper. Hair zipper, hair zipper.